Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to start MS Excel. It's another tool from Microsoft Office. We have already studied Word and PowerPoint, and today we'll start MS Excel. So first, let's take a look at what is the difference between all these three tools. So we have already learned Word, then PowerPoint, and now we are going to start the Excel. So as we know that basically Word contains pages. Similarly, PowerPoint contains slides and Excel contains sheets. As you can see over here, sheet 1, and by pressing this plus sign you can add multiple sheets. So now when multiple pages come together, it creates one document, right? Similarly, when we have multiple slides, we call it presentation, and in Excel we call it workbook or worksheet, right? Okay, normally we call it a workbook. Now document or a word is basically we use for the word processing. PowerPoint we use for the animation or animated presentation, and Excel is basically used for the calculations. Many various types of calculations you can perform using the inbuilt formulas that we will see in lectures. So this is what is MS Excel. Now I'm just deleting this data. You can save the document. Okay, now this is your MS Excel, and here you can see that menus are there, and the actual sheet contains rows and columns, right? And when this row and column intersects, we call it a cell, and here we have address of the cell, right? So cell A2, B2, D3, like that. So this is like D3 means dth column and third row. So the address of this cell is D3. So this is just an introduction of the Excel, and in next lectures we will see we'll apply different types of formulas and we'll learn how to use the Excel.